I just found out that I'm named as the executor in one of my family members' will. How and when do I have to pay for funeral and other estate expenses? Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. On this program, we assist personal representatives and probate attorneys with estate real property. So if you are new here and you're interested in this type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Once the personal representative has received the letters of testamentary or letters of administration, those are the documents that give the personal representative the authority to administer the estate. Once the personal representative has received those documents, it's time to go and immediately open an estate bank account. An estate bank account is a temporary bank account established for the sole purpose of handling the affairs of that estate, such as paying bills and debts, paying taxes, and distributing the remaining assets to beneficiaries and or heirs. For example, if you need to sell that loved one's real estate, the proceeds from that sale would go into the estate bank account. How do you open an estate bank account? First, you'll need to have been granted authority by the probate court and given letters of testamentary or letters of administration. And you need copies of the death certificate. And in addition to that, you need to establish what's called an EIN number, an employee identification number, which in effect replaces your loved one's social security number. You can establish this EIN number on the Internal Revenue Service's website. If possible, you should open that estate banking account at the same financial institution where your deceased loved one has their other accounts. That way, it will be simpler to transfer monies from their personal accounts into the estate account. And once those personal accounts have been transferred to the estate account, be sure to close all of those personal accounts. The estate bank account can be a savings account or a checking account. It makes more sense to establish a checking account because during the probate, as the personal representative, you'll need to pay and address expenses during the probate. Question of the day: have you had to administer a probate estate before? If so, did you have to create an EIN number? Let us know in the comments below. If the estate is a rather large estate with lots of assets, so on and so forth, the personal representative may want to consult or speak with an accountant when establishing these accounts. If you've gotten value from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need legal advice, please contact an attorney. If you need a referral for a probate or an estate planning attorney here in Southern California, feel free to contact me.